Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizoram Education Hub Voina. Speed distance time quotients kan solve dona nang manipon parallelly in solve turani. Son confidence boost whether nga hey quotient hard do kan solve yan tlemin answer alo chualo yan. Mo answer alo chualo chon tlemin gan real rupon china nga tingele eng method nge eng way nge kamanang le tikain nge to china. Chumi function tlemin hey easy whether Maseng examaron chuak dulu tukang chile examalo chuak thayang chi kha console don tani. Now question pahatta ten console banglawan ruo. Question number 1. Chon hun tam do pe kangai loma just like a practice time ania practice questions ania lawan tau. A car goes 10 meters and copy pakhata in ziak zelang mo antinan question som console chuan som avine in ziak thavekang ke nakina helpfulang. So question number 1. A car goes 10 meters in a second. Omzia chu a speed will be 10 meter per second. Tinania. Second kata meter som a cover the distance. So can find out to find its speed in kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Ka speed distance time video in ento chuan meter per second atang in kilometer per hour kan convert piang in 18 by 5 in can multiply thro. It means that hemi 10 meter per second hi hey 10 meter per second hi kilometer per hour kan convert don chuan 18 by 5 tihian kan multiply ngai thin meter per second kha kilometer per hour convert te ka a change de don yo chanchu 18 by 5 in kan multiply ya. So 5 le 10 kan cancel 2 18s are 36 is correct answer. Hemi hi nang manin dule mo tihian tizo kula question in munga tro question tan ka show vele in pause de thinang and pause nuwa nang manin in solve potanga in try potang answer lo chua chuan chaletuk okay bahut acha hoga ma seng answer lo chua mi lo chuna pui ti reng lo la tihian a solution lo en zero lo mo after my explanation question tang in try le zel don ya hemi question hi hey previous question and ein anga just mixed fraction kada hemi question han mo mixed fraction Tuntrum speed hi 3 1 by 3 meter per second ania. Hemi hi kilometer per hour kan convert angaya. Kilometer per hour kan convert piang in 18 by 5 tihian kan multiply ngai thintro. Masenga poilo tihian tizo kila hemi mixed fraction himo fraction a convert potila so engtin nge kan convert thin kha tihian 3 into 3 9 ania. 9 a pakhat kan add chon 10 ania. It means 10 by 3 meter per second ani chu. Maseng question kilometer per hour convert angaya so enge kan tiang 18 by 5 in kan multiply meter per second kha kilometer per hour convert denga 3 in 18 he can cancel 6 times 5 in 10 he can cancel 2 times so 2 into 6 exact nge 12. A rapid fire type down in my then question number 2. A train is moving with a speed of 180 km per hour. Mohami speed and given its speed in meter per second. Enge anidon lawento 180 km per hour and so kilometer per hour ya maseng tuntrum meter per second akan convert ngai. So meter per second an convert don chuan eng tuntrum enge kan ti don 5 by 18 in can multiply m by s can zia kang mo. Now 18 le hemi 180 10 time in can cancel thea 10 into 5 is 50 meter per second is correct answer. Tian in solve zelanga. Question number 3. A man crosses a road 250 meters wide in 75 seconds. Okay, this is a road and its width is 250 meters. So hetatrang yan hetilai thleng hi engzat mo hun alak 75 seconds hun ala so a speed engeni don chupo kilometer per hour find out angai nyo nayanto unit metera oma second oma. So simply a speed find out potula meter per second. The speed engeni train distance by time ani train and distance ki engzat mo zani somnga meter chun time ki engzat nge 75 second. Tuna 25 in cancel 10 times 25 in cancel 3 times ania. Tuna chun kan nei to 10 by 3 meter per second. Maseng kan question ki kilometer per hour find out angai tro chumi wang chun again meter per second atangin kilometer per hour kan convert apiangin 18 by 5 kin kan multiply chin. Now 3 in can cancel 6 times, 5 in can cancel 2 times, so 2 into 6 exact ngani don 12 kilometer per hour. 12 kilometer per hour hi correct answer ani a tuna I mean ang mani try potala mo chimisa in answer lo chwa lo chon in Andonia video in pausang man kai chon ka solve down to nyo tuna. An athlete runs 200 meters race in 24 seconds. So emi question po itro kilometer per hour in find out ang don. So speed ng any train distance by time. Distance and given a zani meter. Time po and given at 24 second. Tiang po na titeta mo tira means at this point meter per second in da son de nga chumi ay chon ngayon za, and in place of that ngayon ziya don 18 by 5 chon kilometer per hour tihian in ziyak teta wanyo. So 5 in cancel 40 time. 1 in 6 in cancel ila 4 times, 6 in cancel ila 3 times, 4 in hami 40 10 time can cancel thaya. So speed is equals to 30 kilometer per hour. Initiative throw. Question number 4 po can complete to question number 5. A man walking at the rate of 5 kilometer per hour. So speed and given an yatun true 5 kilometer per hour. A bridge in exact minute mo time po and given an yo 15 minutes and given a. So length of bridge and teatro chupo meters and ya meter unit ni turin hemi kilometer per hour le hemi minute hi meter le second akan convert potang ay dona. So engtia convert tur ngay lewan to speed hi kan convert mayanga kilometer per hour himo 5 by 18 ay 5 by 18 meter per second kan nito. Chu tiang bok chuan time po hitro 15 minute ania chon minute khata exact nge second option somru komthin chumi wang chon tan into 60 second kan ziak denga mo 1 minute is equals to 60 second. Tuna length hi find out anga yatro. So length formula engen ithin ka it is speed into time. Now speed ki exact nge speed is 5 into 5 by 18 and time ki exact 15 into 60. Hey hetami meter per second le hemi second ami second le second hi kan cancel deng meter che ubang don yo hi hemi meter himo to patian kan date. Now 6 in cancel ila 6 3s are hemi 6 in cancel ila 10s are hemi 3 and 15 hi cancel ila 5 times ania. So 5 into 5 into 5 125 and hemi 10 hi kan multiply chon sang khazani. So nga meter is correct answer. Question number 6 hi. A car traveling at a speed of hemi speed and given a can complete a journey in Darkar Kuahun ala a. Okay, hemi speed and plan mo and Darkar Kuahun ala a. How long will it take to travel the same distance at 60 km per hour? Or to distance pakat hemi d tihian ziakila hemi distance himo a speed 40 km per hour ani hian Darkar Kuahun ala. So hemi distance hi kan nei lo tro hemi distance hi find out potang I don distance ngani train speed into time ani train. So 40 km per hour speed kan neya time kan neya 9 hour. Hemi hour le hour hi kan cancel de yang only kilometer chau hi bang dona. So 40 into 9 zathum somru kilometer ani chu hemi distance mo atir train top leng tuna hemi distance hi means zathum somru kilometer hi 60 km per hour retin tlanta se 60 km per hour retin tlanta se hunang zat nge lakton. Now d po kan ne ya second speed po kan ne. So time can find out anga ni mailom distance by speed and train. So 360 km divided by 60 km per hour. Hemi hour hi kita chhode dona kilometer le kilometer hi cancel de yang. So hour hi chu kita chhodon yo 0 le 0 kan cancel 6 in 6 time and 36. So Darkar Rukhun aladon. Mo 6 hours is correct answer. Video you trying to each one in like nge don yo thengel mi alawla. Then question number 7. A train is traveling at a rate of 45 km per hour. So speed and given which is zia train potolomo in zia chun nang manitan a olsam vedona mo intana olsam dona chimizwa how many seconds it will take to cover a distance of 4 by 5 kilometer. 4 by 5 kilometer omzi ang shimin. How many seconds it will take anti chon time can find out ang don. And distance yang zat mo hey distance mo 4 by 5 kilometer. Kilometer ang ni chin 1000 meter. Pero hemi thili thengil mi alola kilometer khata sang khat meter a omchina. It means that total distance yang zat nge hey 800 ani chu. So 800 meter hi hunang zat nge lag don cross turin. Now speed kan nei 45 maseng kilometer per hour ani hi kan unit nei turi second ania. So 5 by 18 meter per second. Now cancel ila 9 in 9 5 zar 9 2 zar. Hemi hi 25 by 2 meter per second speed po kan nei distance po zariat kan nei. Time formula ang ekha distance by speed ani and distance is zariat meter chuan anwaya speed is 25 by 2 meter per second. Hemi meter in cancel nga second ki ta chode ang so chau chuan ta second kan zia kang and hemi 2 ki ta chole de nga mi poi so 25 in can cancel ang 8 4s are 32 ani chu. Now time will be 32 into 2, that is 64. Okay, 64 seconds. 64 seconds is correct answer of this question. To now question number 8. Question number 8. A boy runs 20 kilometer in Darkareng zata nile achanveya akovara mo 20 kilometer. How long will he take to run 32 kilometer at double the previous speed? Initially, ma'am. Double the previous speed speed amasazoka maseng amasazoka means initial speed ka kan nei re leinem kan nei lo chon hei heta trang hian first part atang in kan solve in jetiam tro hey first part hian distance and given a 20 kilometer time po and given a 2.5 hour. So speed ang any don speed hi formula is what distance by time tro. So distance in 20 kilometer kandanga time ain 2.5 kandanga hemi desimally kanda so nga chunga 0 pakhat and 225 in kan cancel jon 8 ani chu. So a speed yang zat mo speed is 8 kilometer per hour. So hemi initial speed chu ani. Now hemi speed. Now how long will he take to run 32 kilometer? Tuna distance thar kan neya 32 kilometer. Chuan speed po thar kan neya enge double the previous speed. Double the previous speed chu previous speed ka 8 tro kan find out zochia and hemi double hi enge 2 into 8 that is 16 ani chu kilometer per hour. Chuan in conclusion how long will it take chu time can find out angai. Time enge ni distance by speed. Now distance is 32, speed is 16 and 32 by 16 is 2. So hunang zat mo lag dona 2 hours. So 2 hours is correct answer of this question. Question number 9. A man walks a kilometer. Hey, a kilometer waka chupo b hours. Now time taken to cover engza to walk 200 meters. Hemi question itle min acha kati achan jo hai. First part hi kilometer per le awarania maseng second part and meters antide. Chumi wang chuan tihian kanzia kanga. Hey, distance and given time po given. Speed kan nei thei heta tranghian. Speed kan nei distance by time. And what is distance? A kilometer. Chuan what is time? B hours. It means A by B chuan kilometer per hour. Hemi a speed ani Chuan kan option how hi an to vekat hours find out tangai nyo hours find out tangaya and second part and 200 meters ani chumi wang chuan time formula kan mangai the time taken mo time find out tangaya distance by speed. Distance and given 200 meter. So 200 meters tihian kan zia ka and anwaya hian speed ain nge kan zia don speed ain A by B chu kan zia nge don nyo kilometer per hour. Hemi hour hi khita chhodei donyo hemi hour hi chu khita chhodei dona ma seng hemi kilometer hi hemi kilo ai hian sang khat meter in da angai don. in shatiam tro now meter le meter in cancel langa hemi bi khita chode don yo and hemi zani hian sang khati 5 time in cancel lang it means that enge in answer ani don in answer to b by 5a hours b by 5a hours in correct answer ni don tam takin hemi question mistake enge mistake an nei chen ka shilang chewo hey speed to and find out maya speed is equals to distance a nia time b ania tuna time find out tangai nyo time find out tangaya and distance and given as zani meter anti dan chu ti hian anti topa time is equals to distance by speed ania distance ain hemi zani an ziak maya speed value ki a by b netro a by b hemi b ki ta chhodei thina ti hian and 200b by a option 1 is correct tihian anti trina ma senga dik ngai lo nyo adik ber chu hei hemi hi unit in convert ngai donya achunga meter oma anwaya kilometer omanyo hemi kilometer po hi meter in convert ngai don mi thili theng lola so our correct answer will be option b tuna question number 10 motorcyclist p started his journey at a speed of 30 km per hour. After 30 minutes, motorcycle Q started from the same place but with a speed of 40 km per hour. How much time in hours will Q take to overtake P? Omzia chu hemi hi point A ani a motorcyclist P with a speed of 30 km per hour and tinan englawa east lama hian tlan se. Ti ambok chon after 30 minutes hemi khoshnan after 30 minutes anti hian after 30 minutes anti jon mo p hi kilometer engzat ngetlan so live class chuni se nang mani ga zo chunga mo nang mani ga zo te ne ma se kashilang cho p hi dar kar khata kilometer som thu matlan theya so after 30 minute engzat ngetlan o achan ve khani maya tro so 15 kilometer ani chu mo dar kar chan ve nuwa chon p hi 15 kilometer atlan don achan chu dar kar khata kilometer som tu matlan theya now q started from the same place overtake condition ani hi overtake aenge kha same direction relative speed difference kan ziak train okay so ani in car distance 15 kilometer ania and relative speed enge ni don p hi with a speed of 30 km per hour ania and q hi 40 km per hour. What is the difference? 30 le somli chu difference 10 ania kilometer per hour. Hemi hour khita chode dona heta h kan zia kan kilometer le kilometer kan cancel de yang. Now 5 in kan le cancel then your 3 by 2 hours. So 1.5 hours or 3 by 2 hours say 3 by 2 oma option kan tick de yang. Question number 11. A bullock cart has to cover a distance of za somni kilometer ania chupo dar kar som panga a. If it covers half of the journey in 3 by 5th time ehew omzia chu hey a vine hemi distance za le somni kilometer ani a chuanin hemi dar kar som panga cover turani. If it covers half of the journey in 3 by 5 of the time half of the journey anti chan moi hetlai thlengi hemi distance engzat ngani don 60 km. It means that hemi 60 km hi 3 by 5 of kimi given time ki of what 15 hour mo hemi etizati hun ala. It means that hemi half distance cover torin hun engzat nge lak ti chuan 3 by 5th of the time. So what is the time 15 ania cancel ila 3 time so 3 into 3 darkar kuahun alani chu in shati amanga mithili so distance bang zong hi engzat nge chon time bang zong engzat nge 15 minus 9 achan chu darkar kwa tira mang to tuna 15 minus 9 hi parukanya so darkar ruk hun alanei and distance hi engzat nge 60 km engzat speed in nge tlana ngai don so speed will be distance by time remaining distance is 60 km remaining time is 6 hours so 6 in cancel 10 km per hour so C is correct answer of this question. Question number 12. The length of a train and that of platform are equal. More hemi length of train ania chuanin hemi hi platform length hemi platform ania if this length is x hemi length po hi x ani don tinani chu if the speed of if with the speed of 90 kilometer per hour the train crosses the platform in 1 minute. So speed and given are 90 kilometer per hour and hey meter can find out ang I don't know. That's why 5 by 18 meter per second. Kan convert ni chu kilometer per hour kamo meter per second akan convert and time pon given a 1 minute. 1 minute a second exact ngam train 60 second throw so tiyan kan zia kang. Now thil pakhat ka speed distance time video hlui nan to chuan hemi thili in shachiang dukanga length entinan object in length han nei chuan kan bel ve thin hemi caution a han train in platform across don tro so total length engeni don total length will be x plus x anidon divided by speed and given a 90 into 5 by 18 is equals to time is 60 second ania. Now x plus x 2x ania 9 in cancel 10 time 9 in cancel 2 hemi 2 kita chau dei don so kita chau vel 2 into 2 by 10 into 5 50 ania helama 60 ania so 50 less 60 can multiply chuan how much hemi x thing lo so 2 into 2 exact nge 4x and hemi 50 kita 60 bula kan da chaunga means can multiply chau denga 3000 4 in cancel x is equals to how much 750 meters so 750 meter is correct answer of this question. Question number 13. A train passes two bridges of length hemi bridge 1 and hemi bridge 2. This length is 800 and this length is 400. In hemi pumpu cross turin huneng zat ngelak second za hunala a and second bridge he cross turin complete cross turin 60 second hun ala. What is the length of the train? Tiang condition I had more equation pani kan because two bridges are there. So equation number 1 chumo train in hey t kan zia kang train in bridge number 1 length across huna so bridge length 1 is 800 speed kan nei mi alaunia is equals to time ju kan nei 100 second. This is equation 1 chuti ambok chon chumi train bok chuan bridge dang 400 meter across anga chupo same speed in across ang chu hunang zat mo lak 60 second. Now heta trang hian enge kan mamo chu length of this train tro hi hemi t dule l ti de lo mo t for train ania chumi wang chunya. Now dividing equation 1 and 2 equation 1 le 2 kan divide anga hemi s le hemi s kan cancel theya hemi 0 le hemi 0 kan cancel theya 2 in la cancel ila 5 time 2 in la cancel ila 3 time kan equation ni tahan ziak de ila l plus fresh de in ka ziak tinani chu is equals to 5 and L plus 400 is equals to 3. Now hमें 3 है लमा वही खत multiply ला and हमें L plus 400 kita 5 ने so 3 into L is 3L 3 into 800 is 2400 5 into L is 5L 5 into 400 is 2000 L bula so 3L है लमा kan ziya vel 5L minus 3L number chu number bula so 2400 the trang in 2000 kan pay ive exact ngani don 400 now 5L trang in 3L pay chu 2L ani a 2 in 400 you can cancel chuan it will be 200 so length of train is 200 meters. Now question number 14 a train 300 meters long is running at a speed of 25 meters per second. It will cross a bridge of 200 meters in second exact ngai don hun exact nge lak don second exact nge ngai don yes hom the average hey ta point ro train in nge cross don train in bridge pakhata cross don it means that length of train plus length of bridge achunga kan ziak train tro train length pon given a bridge length pon given so train length plus bridge length chu 300 plus 200 that is 500 meters. Hemi length hi mo now hemi distance hemi total length hi speed in can divide angai don then we will get the value of t so speed ki ang zat nge 25 meter per second hemi second khita chhode nga and meter le meter hi kan cancel de yang second chau kan nei don 25 20 zaran thinyo so 20 second 20 second is correct answer of this question. Question number 15. A train 800 meter long is running at a speed of 78 km per hour. If it crosses a tunnel in 1 minute, then length of tunnel tapo hiantro. Train in enge cross tuntrum. Train in tuntrum hey tunnel ani he tunnel across and tunnel length t in or pelo l in kan represent kan denote mayang and hemi hi angzat nge train length zaria tanya. So we add 800 plus small l divided by speed angzat nge 78 kilometer per hour anya maseng kan answer hi in meters find out angai. That's why 5 by 18 can multiply ngai don is equals to 1 minute hun alag zat mo. So t will be 60 second. Hemi 18 khita kan da chode dona. So khita kan da chove 6 in cancel mo 6 3s are 6 10s are. Hemi 3 yan 78 cancel 26 times. And hemi 26 le 5 khita 10 and can multiply the yang. Engzat ngeni don 800 plus l is equals to 26 5s are za som thumanya and kimi 10s are sang khaz thumanya. Hemi 800 mo helama kan da anga so 1300 the in 800 kan pay chuan it will be 500. So 500 is correct answer. The length of the tunnel limo 500 meters. Question number 16. A train 150 meter long take 30 seconds to cross a bridge 500 meter long and ya omzia chu train pakhat and its length is 1 meter long. Bridge pakhat across and bridge length is meter zanga. So hun angzat ngelak hun 30 second hun ala. So tatrangyan speed kan nei theidona phota speed enge formula distance by time. Total distance angzat za som ngale zanga chu 650 meter and time pon given a 30. So 0 le 0 kan cancel speed kan nei phot 65 by 3 meter per second. Hemi kan nei photania chumizwa hemi speed bokhian atlananga how much time will the train take to cross a platform of 370 meter. Now time can find out angaya d by n speed. Speed can zong chuaka 65 by 3 meter per second. And hemi distance itun chumangani don. Distance will be hey hemi train hian mo platform pakhat and which is having a length of 370 meter across dona. That's why we will add it again. 150 plus 370 angzat 520. So t is equals to 520 hemi 3 kita chole denga into 3 by 65. 13 4s are near so 40. 13 5s are near 5 in 40 cancel lela 8 time. So 8 into 3 is 24 second. 24 seconds is correct answer of this question. Now manipur in try mo. Question number 17. A train 180 meter long moving at a speed of 20 meter per second. So huneng zat ngelak don kan find out thaini at the trangyan overtakes a man moving at a speed of 10 meter per second in the same direction. So the train passes the man in time kan find out tangai don. So time find out turin enge kan formula ni don train po antinan helama hian tlan se east lama mishing po east lama bok tlan se mo kal se. In this case relative speed enge anwaya s1 minus s2 kan ziak train okay or s2 minus s1 a difference khani mai hemi case and 20 meter per second le 10 meter per second enge difference 20 minus 10 to 10 meter per second ania and distance yangzat 180 meter. Meter le meter kan cancela hemi s khita chhode dona 0 le 0 kan cancel. So time is equals to 18 second. 18 second is correct answer. Now question number 18. Hey 18 here. How many seconds will a 500 meter long train to take across a man walking with the speed of 3 km per hour in the direction of the moving train? Hey hemi pohi in the direction antile tonyo in the direction. Chumi wang chuan train helamat lan chuan mishing po hela makal dona tlan ve dona. In this case also, distance is given 500 and speed, what is the difference? 63 le 3, difference is 63 minus 3 60, and kilometer per hour ane chumi wang chuan tihan kan convert angai le don 18 khita kan da chode don mo. Again 5 in cancel ila 100 times, 0 le 0 cancel ila hemi 6 yan 18 3 time ania, so 10 into 3 ang zat 30. So 30 second is correct answer of this question. Question number 19 है, question 11 walking in opposite direction है. Opposite direction achuan train hela matlana and machine hela matlan, also opposite to each other. In this question cheer potilmo, a train running at a speed of, okay, train speed kanne ya chon machine speed po kanne, length of train find out tangai tunrum, length of train find out tangaya, so d by speed is equals to time. Hemini trinadro d ber hini kan find out tur x assume length of train hi chuan anwaya tunrum opposite ani vine kan add de donyo 84 km per hour le 6 km per hour kan add anga 90 km per hour ani don, and time hi second li second an given mo ani chuan hemi kan convert le photang 5 by 18, hemi 18 kita chode dona, so 18. Now x can find out tang heta trang hian, so x is equals to dule tahian cancel potilamo 10 zar, and 10 into 5 15 ya 54 in can multiply yang, and left x into 2, 2x is equals to 50 into 4 ania, 50 into 4 zani ani a, 2 in can cancel chuan x is equals to za, so length of train is meter za. Question number 20. This question, two train of length 70 meter le 80 meter are running at a speed of 68 km per hour le 40 km per hour respectively on parallel tracks in opposite direction. Hey, opposite direction hi mo atle min nang mani pon interesting vedawa, hey huneng zat nge ngai in how many seconds antia, so distance by enge speed khani don, so distance by speed. Now distance is train panian oma wangin body panian nia, so can add ang 70 plus 80 is meter za sumnga, and speed enge opposite antlana wangin can add de don, hey an speed hi 68 le somli chu zale pariat kilometer per hour, ma saying hetahan meter om de sin, and can unit hi second turania, so again 5 by tahan mo 5 by 18 meter per second. Hemi meter le hemi meter hian cancel anga second khita chode don yo, and 18 bo khita chode don, so our time will be 150 into 18 by zale pariat into 5. 5 in cancel ila zasum nga hi 30 time ania, 18 6 zaran china, and 30 by 6 to 5, so 5 second is correct answer, 5 seconds. Okay. Question number 21. The speed of 3 cars are in the ratio 1:3:5. Hemi speed ratio ni here. S1 is to S2 is to S3 and given a 1:3:5. Ratio among the time taken by these cars to travel the same distance. Distance same distance antia. Speed is equals to distance by time. If this distance is a constant, okay, hemi distance is constant, the each one angeni don, it is inversely, hey, speed is inversely proportional to time when distance is constant. So ami question apo hian tro thildang eng mati ngai lewa speed ti hian omatro 1:3:5 inversely proportional ani wangin T1 is to T2 is to T3 angeni de don 1 by 1 1 by 3 1 by 5 denominator anom de don. Now hemi ratio hi in solvanga in find out tang dule LCM in solvula dule ti hian cross multiply in, hey 3 le 5 kan multiply ya 15 ania chuanin, 1 le 5 kan multiply ya 5 ania chuanin, 1 le 3 kan multiply ya 3 ania, so 15 is to 5 is to 3. Hey, option C is correct answer. A runs twice as fast as B antia, and B runs thrice as fast as C antia. It means speed ratio kan don. Hey, speed of A is twice as fast as speed of B. Tihian kan ziak thina. Chutiang bok chon B runs. Hey, speed of B is thrice and teatro chumi wang chon 3 into speed of C. Tiang khoshana hian mo SA, SB, SC ratio kan nei ngai thin. Just speed of these three. Speed of these three person. So SA is to SB engeni don. It is 2 is to 1. SB is to SC engeni don 3 is to 1. Now SA, SB, SC hemi engtin nge ani dan in shia tro in shia theology hemi SB khuta da thladeyula numerator 2 om don and denominator hemi 1 hi chuk de dona chutiang bok chon numerator 3 om dona SA value hi 2 ania SB value hi 1 ania chutiang bok chon SB value hi 3 ania and SC value hi 1 ania hey tahana ruwa katro abulami number so 2 3s are 6 1 3s are 3 and 1 1s are 1. It means this is the ratio of speed. Ma saying concussion and distance covered by C in 72 minutes. Speed and given me allow minute hisabin hemi caution hi an siama chumi function kaini pon hemi ratio hi minute hisabin time hisabin kan convert angai don engtin nge kan convert thin kha 3 into 1 3. This is tan kan zia kango SA is to SB is to SC and given kay manin TA is to TB is to TC can find out angai. So TA is to TB is to TC angani don 3 into 1 3 6 into 1 6 6 into 3 18 again 3 in cancel then so 1 is to 2 is to 6 1 is to 2 is to 6 hemi ratio kan mamwa kan nei to. Now caution akian value of C hi engzat nge C cover distance covered by C in 72 minutes. Chon hemi 6 unit value is 72 nidona. So 1 unit value engzat nidon 72 by 6 that is 12 nidon. Caution hi nge time covered by A anyatro. A hi engzat unit nge 1 unit anya. Chumi function hey 1 unit is 12. 12 minute is correct answer. Tuna hemi caution hi. A car covers a certain distance certain distance ankhania kan shem yalonia hemi distance hi vine engzat nge in 25 hours hunala thina dar car somni panga if it reduces the speed by 1/5 and tinan a speed hi s nita se maseng 1/5 a reduce de donyo so s minus 1/5 of s hemi solve in solution 5 into s is 5s chuta trangchon s pakaten payanga 4s by 5. This is the s2 value. Hemi s1 value is s and s2 value is 1/5 a speed reduced. Now the car covers 200 kilometer less in that time. So 200 kilometer less a cover tichuange omzia distance tamzok atrangin distance claimzok kan paya difference is 200 kilometer a cover claims okay 200 more difference value niya distance nge formula kha speed into time so atira mi speed kha engzat nge atira khan speed s ania time engzat nge kha 25 ani and tun trum engzat nge speed 4/5 of speed into time kha 25 ania equals to 200. Now hemi 5 is simplify ula 5 kita and multiplying so 1 5 into s into 25 minus 4 into s into 25 divided by 5 and hemi 5 kita 200 and can multiply chuan 1000 kan nei don heta po 25 oma heta po 25 oma 25 om ve tro so common la chuak dei ula and 5 into s is 5s minus 4 into s is 4s equals to 1000. 25 hela ma kan zia chon anwaya kan ziak dei thina tra mi 25 it zia thladela kan cancel chon somli ani dona and 5s atangin 4s kan pe chon 1s which is nothing but the speed only. So speed of car is 40 km/h. Hemi caution here. A person went from A to B. A to B he antirnan A assume total distance. A atrangin B himo A anya chon exact average speed in mokala x km/h. chuan aron let le b atangin a chu pohemi poisia mani don a atangin b ni chuan b atangin a po distance chu ngai rang don yo maseng average speed chu dule adang lam thei so y kilometer per hour ar let lama kan question what is his average speed during the total journey mi question ahian average speed enge formula ni thin total distance by total time taken okay ttt kan ziak deng total time taken total distance enge phota a atangin b a ania b atangin a po a bok anidona so a plus a divided by total time more total time chuan given me allow time formula enge written distance by speed and kalam distance a ania chun average speed x ania letalam holam distance a bok khania chun average speed y ania tuna hemi kan solve kan answer lo chuak a hi pani omatro so 2a kan zia kang heta po a oma heta po a oma a hi common la dei ila po na so 1 by x 1 by y hemi a le hemi a cancel deila tuna y into 1 y x into 1 x chuan x into y xy so 2 by x plus y by xy hemi xy khita chode donyo so 2xy divided by x plus y 2xy divided by x plus y is correct answer tuna question number 25 hey hemi a man goes from Mysore to Bangalore at a uniform speed of 40 km per hour and comes back to Mysore at a uniform speed of 60 km per hour. His average speed for the whole journey engzat ngeni don. Zami question ahiantro Mysore train Bangalore kalpota chuan comes back to Mysore. So distance ka chu anin ang distance ay nangatro previous question formula kan mangthai. Enge kan formula ka 2xy by x plus y 2s1 s2 by s1 plus s2 po mo so 2 into x engzat nge first average speed 40 second average speed 60 divided by first average speed plus second average speed hemi in solve nga answer lo chuaka so 2 into 40 le 60 gan multiply chon sang ni le zali ania chon hnuaya 40 le somru kan add yan 0 pani le 0 pani gan cancela 48 ni chu so 48 kilometer per hour is correct answer now hemi question here try and answer it in the comment section a passenger train 150 meter long is traveling with a speed of 36 kilometer per hour if a man is cycling in the direction of train at 9 kilometer per hour time taken by the train to pass the man is how much hemi question here nang manin in try nge donya so thank you so much for watching this video hi try in ti chuan in like nge nga and channel in la subscribe lo chun in subscribe nge donya